Hello, somebody commented, I can't remember for the life of me remember who commented on the food in my fridge, it being an empty fridge. Well, today it's well stocked. Woo! It's well stocked today because I went shopping before. So anyway, that's that chip shop curry sauce I was talking about the other day, which I really like, on some chips for anybody who's interested. So I've got a full chicken there. I've got some steak and some, it's for two people, there's 2 rump steaks there with some butter. Oh, shut up. Did I mention potatoes? Did I mention potatoes? I didn't mention potatoes. What is?
Potatoes.
I've not even mentioned potatoes.
Chips.
Yeah, I mentioned chip shop curry sauce. I know it's a bit bad, but I've got these as well. These new flatbreads. New flatbreads with cheese and garlic. It is a bit bad, I suppose. And then I've got some tagliatelle, what's it called? Pasta, which is really good. We are going to have a spag bol this weekend. And some lovely, lovely Aberdeen Angus steak mince. What's 5% fat. Really, really good. I've got some mushrooms in there, some vegetables. And then my freezer's proper full as well. I've got way too much Baileys in here, but because it was my birthday the other day, I got 3 big bottles of Baileys for my birthday, which is like that size. So, and I love my avocados. I do love avocados. I think they're really, really delicious, especially when you mix it in a salad. I've got some sauces here. You know, my blue cheese salad dressing. I've got some sweet chili sauce. I do love this. It's grilling cheese. I know it's a little bit bad because of the reds there, but I do like it, and I don't have it very often. Some salad cream, and it's 30% less fat, and it says deliciously zingy, so I'm looking forward to trying that. What?
30% less fat than what?
30% less fat. Are you talking about the... Oh, it just says less fat for the salad cream.
Less fat than what?
Than full fat. Than full fat.
Full fat salad cream.
Some of the chicken for Richard. Chicken tikka breast slices. Right, this is the cheese I bought. Right, it says there's 10 slices in there, and it's meant to be 50% lighter cheddar. So it is an improvement on the one I usually get, because the one I usually get has got full reds, basically. I've got some British oak smoked ham. I know, 1 red, which isn't too bad. 1 red. So yeah, a few nice things in there for some meals. So right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again soon. Okay, tatty bye.